What's up, y'all? It's your boy JC here again, back again with another video, and this video is just gonna be a quick short update on the state of things here. If you don't know already, Mark II is fixed, radiator fan kicks in now, dash is on. I'm trying to redo the main grounds, and these are my ground cables. However, we kind of have to trim them to length, and it's almost impossible to find the right size ring terminals or ring connectors, whatever you call these things. The custom car audio store nearby closes at 5 p.m. every afternoon during the weekday, so it's been hard to get in contact with them. So I'm gonna try them this Saturday, and I'm gonna be picking up some parts on Saturday as well. Basically, this coming Saturday, it's back on the road. It's gonna be my daily between this Saturday and the end of October. So whatever life throws at us, if something breaks, we're gonna have to fix it, because the Jetta is gonna be off the road for two main reasons. Number one, it was gonna be $300 a month to keep all three cars on the road. We're gonna store the Mark IV while the Mark II is out for the summer, and we're gonna try our best to fix some rust spots on the Mark IV as well while we're at it. You know, make it a little bit more presentable, because eventually it will be the daily, and the Mark II will be kind of an event only car. Because basically right now I need 2 more years driver experience to qualify for classic car insurance. So yeah, Haggerty, you kind of suck right now. By the way, my car is running on Digi2 and it's a 16 valve. So if you know someone who might be able to help me with some idling issues in Ontario, let me know. We also are going to be pulling these wipers off and, you know, repainting them. Same with the one in the back. We also have this sunroof seal that we're gonna try to fix this summer. Ta-da! A new quad grill. We're gonna do a pinstripe on that grill the same way we did to this grill, and the fogs are kind of rusted, so I have a plan for that. But basically, stay tuned for that. We're gonna throw that on. Oh yeah, and I hooked up the garage with this Google Home. Pretty dope, because then while I'm wrenching, I get to listen to some smooth jazz to calm the nerves, you know? Something I picked up from my uncle. But as you can see, the garage is a mess again. I'm gonna have to clean up a bit. Yeah, this snowblower has to go. So eventually it's gonna be warm enough for me to start painting stuff. And the car is gonna be on rollers sometime this summer. And it's gonna spend some of its time on that end. And why on that end, you ask? It's because of this column here, which takes up a lot of space. It wouldn't make sense to put it up against this side of the garage, really. So try to imagine the car all the way over there. We'll have a lot of space here. And so, which brings me to this. This is a piece of thin card. It's kind of like cardboard, but not really. It's like wooden board, which used to be a backing of some sort for one of my used furniture. I'm gonna throw this up against the wall and paint it with chalkboard black, and it's gonna be a way for me to start tracking maintenance items like oil changes, timing belt changes, and all that sort of stuff for all my 3 cars. So that's gonna be a pretty neat project to come soon. I haven't really been showing you guys much of the crew lately. Cars and Coffee coming soon. Definitely gonna try this thing out for autocross. Gonna hit up some other meets as well. Some swap meets, some Volkswagen meets for sure. Also, I don't know who you are, but for some reason I feel compelled to say something to someone, like it's a special message or something. So I don't know who you are, but if you're saving up for a project car, or you already have a project car and it's been chilling in the garage, it's been a minute since you've last worked on it, and you're trying to get it done, I just want to say, you know, come up with a list. Put your goals down. You'll feel a lot better when you start striking them off your list. And, you know, stop being a wuss. Pick up the wrenches and get to it. Just get shit done. That's all I'm going to say. You'll feel a lot better and you'll thank me later. Yeah, that kind of sucked. I need to work on my motivation, encouragement, speeches and stuff like that. But anyways, yo, fake it till you make it. And as always, God bless. Peace.